Yo, okay, Rosman Zarin here. Yeah, first thing first, let me just say Happy New Year to you all. Yeah, Happy New Year to you all, to all my subscribers. Yeah, the community is growing. The community is growing on the 1st of January 2025. Yeah, we hit 7,000 subscribers. So, something. Yeah, wherever you are, aren't you believer toast? I just toasted, aren't you believer? Come on, visa. Just do that. If you to a toaster, just do that on your side. Yeah, and then I've already celebrated it. On the 3rd of January. We went to MGB with the family. We went there to celebrate that thing. You know what I mean? Yeah. So this year is 2025. At least target 3,000 subscribers. Nga ononungwawa tarti yotodiremetsa ononungwawa target at least 3,000 subscribers or gonna hit 10,000 subscribers at the end of this year. It will be something with a celebration again. So if you've seen like the caption, yeah, this is an outer view from the archives file. You know what I mean? The very same way player. So because you know what I mean? So I'm quite sure I'm going there wherever she is. Because this dude like came to my house to shoot this thing, then he ended up like not uploading it. But yeah, it was complications and this and that. So yesterday I unboxed a lot of things. Before I went to vendor, I unboxed my wireless keyboard and mouse. At least we're gonna improve content wise. So now or yesterday, as you can see, like this is the remote of a ring light that I bought. Because there are big things I've won here. Yeah, I unboxed like a huge ring light. Yeah, a huge ring light, 45 centimeters, 18 inches. Yeah, so you can tell, or yeah, big things I've won. So this is the year of many changes. There are a lot of things that I've already bought. So now I unboxed them yesterday again. You know what I mean? So we are winning by all means. So Happy New Year to you all, and let's dive into this outer view. You know what I mean? So it's an older outer view. So like visual wise, it's dope. When it comes to audio quality, because it's microphones so sometimes a guest just a little disclaimer. Audio quality inga inabupuanyana, but nonetheless, let's dive in. Enjoy. Okay, Ras, Mount Zion. George. Greetings to the world, yeah. This is okay, Rasmussen talking, and we're out here in Africa, South Africa. Limpopo Province, Vembe District, Churumela Local Municipality, Thohoyandou Local Town is where we're at. As you can see, I'm not alone here. And Chorotoma, before anything else, YouTube channel, please hit subscription button now. Na chekanga kachanda changa H like and please 3 2 1 click like videos to sangamanda kasi la miss yote na algorithm za YouTube boy which to the ones in the like guest so I'm out here, like I said, man. As you can see, I'm not alone here. I'm with my beautiful sister all the time. Yeah, on a personal level, I can say she's well-spoken person, sarcastic soul, a joker in a personal level. But when it comes to professionalism or whatever that we may call, she's a former Univen Radio presenter, former Choice FM presenter, and Capricorn FM newsreader and news reporter. Yeah, she's an entrepreneur or businesswoman. She's an interpreter. She's an MC. So you can tell or now what's your name? So that was a smile. Did you remember the introduction of one guy?
No, I'm worried she's a singer. I'm worried no more. Hi. The voice of woman.
She's a singer, so that's why you Dynamite comes
In the shower.
in a small package, yeah. But here you can tell on the Dynamite is the one, and then another make a bigger package. I'm talking about the one and only Mukondereri Gondris Mutambi. Kezo.
Yeah,
I'm very thankful to be hosted here. It means a lot.
I'm actually honored that you thought of me. It's been a while. I've been out of the radio industry for a while. So for someone to say, Ore, you know what, I'd like to speak to you. We want to get to know you better. It's a great honor.
For real,
It's a great honor.
I thought maybe the nine and I wasn't honored in go watch car.
No, it's a great honor for me.
But based na kazi na kwamba zona ati bararo or kan the media out of sight out of mind but
Exactly. Yeah.
But chelo tupo zonga manda na chaura ni ndi chilebesa ndi mtiwa bala twa ndi chita interview this is the outer view is it's not a podcast, this is not an interview but it's an outer view. That's why na Bulegon Rabawan which prefer Amando River to Orinda. But I still remember the other of Tomai. Norwich teaches Amanda Univen because by that time it's got the arrow Univen or in the radio in Rambori. You're actually the Mezana Nakuprese cash. Para. So radio by on you by Univen. And I still remember the one to the teacher. I was like, no man. I'm not Mumzana or I shall 9 to 12, but that time I got the 9 to 12. I don't know what I'm 2013 23 August. The Janaka Facebook and Arni, Gonderi, RR, not Gonderi is RR, Nabodiva. Just like that. So I was going to go through the chats on the Dichko in the interview. Only to find out to Robert Ram, but let's make under way, Rakono Ambazi.
That's not better. Come on, actually, you were in high school, so obviously.
Yeah.
That's how can I know you were internet cafe. Oh, great. I've been
2013 that called double or like grade 10.
Okay. Okay. I don't know. Should I spring up on to meet with this assignment on the internet? I'm not better than those of the mix it.
So, the like you have a lot of things to say. Kana never to again on that. The so football bangatamo udiva zinji kaya because the but one that kana one the other one oto banam sinchika do findine. The all one is kobara veresa after he interviewed that you should another DJ wala chimaka parapara. Ndimtu watu wanena what there was kumtejeleza. So I'm quite sure after this interview I'll go shoot her. But after me comes kasi la I'm big disappointed. Yeah. Ndimurumela la email. Ndomurumela email. Oro ebona a delete. Email invitation or the
thing is, actually, it like cuts emails. I bet you get all these emails a day, like Hujana Injinga man. It's either employment, job seeking sites, LinkedIn, Twitter, So what I did is when your email came through, something like that. Yeah, and I'm like, what kind of a name is this? That deletes.
Three.
I didn't open it. That delete. Like that's what I do. Like I actually browse in the Bonori. Is there something with the so not open a dinner page, and then I know this name like it's familiar, but I don't understand what it's doing.
But
they delete. And then when you mentioned it, you're like, hi man. I saw a name like this one and then I deleted it. So I had to go back to my bin and retrieve. So yeah.
Yeah, but they're going to go through invitation.
They're going to go
so somebody else would follow up on a connection
and then they'll send an invitation. This person is not giving back to me. Or whatever. I don't know what this like for sure. Serious.
Okay, cool. So when you want to do some condemned time, watch him do our developers one division. Something could be through radio. But I don't go to Macam's Monica upbringing. I mean, like condemned time, be into an old guy. Like Buba, Asko until
Nando Aroha Mucha. Chitasini. Ndalwa mudini une ro vachidzura ri vararu basically. Ova une Mianga na my big sister Alindelani. So it was just the three of us. Mianga was a teacher back then, and then another thing is a bit uchidzura ngia muchai. Ni one of Mr. Say. Nani ka level
young,
you know, nani ge no should feel vanama Mr. Say lo vachidura chitasini. Mr. Seni na nini. And then also my grandmother nabone baba mudid it.
Okay.
She was an English teacher. So I grew up quite well. Ka background I was encouraged to learn. Ngamanda chikuwa.
Okay.
Chikuwa ngori Mianga was an English teacher. My grandmother was an English teacher. So asho obo chidumesa chikuwa. Yes. Yeah, obo chikuwa. Not so my grandmother lumtwane mama chikuwa. And then Ndandishiri, like because I started my primary Kashkorichine, I was a walking distance from Mayan. Kashkorichifi Amucha Primary, the Jana grade 1. And then from there I went to Chimwechatianda. Chine Chafi Mutangwa. Obona Chipang Chabo Chifi una pupi. Syllabus Chifi Findia pupi. So Mutangwa Yaba in a pupi. And then me and Havar Norman. You need to move to Mutangwa nguru
na just mami wachi wakufunza kai
Mianga baba chikufunza ndamuliri. Yeah. So I didn't have an idea you're pupi in the meaning like yeah. Oh, actually no. Mianga baba sindamuliri when I was in primary. Baba bono ba lecture chisman.
Okay.
Boshman ndamuliri zezindi shikabo creche na preschool. Because I used to go with the Nashkoro. But ndino was the primary baba lecture chisman chakum. Yeah. So ndaya Mutangwa like grade 2 to grade 2, grade 3. Yeah, actually, those 2 classes. And then I left. And the reason I left is because I had a friend. She was actually one of my best friends. And her mother was actually also one of my mother's best friends.
Okay.
And then she was moving school. She was going to Chimwashi College of Mapumurere. Ganingi Amucha Marapa, saying you figure Malonga. And then I did it with me. I'm Jana. Mungana wangu nani. Me angabare ha ininda na jana Mbara. That's when I came to Makwara na jana Mbara.
Okay.
So I used to travel my takes, and then Mianga was also a singer. She was a soloist. Ya kakwere no fi Vishoso at her. So she used to sing up Univeni. Which one is Lazarus Chief Minabe. He's at the choir. Don't really at Zina man. Yeah, man. So we used to attend those things a lot growing up. So, Hobochi practice was at the choir. Hayani, Babachi, Nabana Shkoro, Babachi Daba from Mianga, like Uimba, meaning. She had a piano, like there was everything musical. Hayani, like the guitar. My uncles also play the guitar. They also sing. Like basically, it's an artistic family. So, like art was actually something I grew up in.
Okay.
So when I grew up, I knew, this is life. I wanted to be a dancer. I'm a very good dancer, by the way. With this body, it was
Okay. And then fast forward from primary,
secondary, I went to Mopani Primary. Lady J also went to Mopani same time with me.
Lady J,
okay, the very same one. So we went to Mopani, and then from Mopani, we've never been friends.
So
mathematics. That's why. An equation. Rema. So I had this teacher and Baba Chimpani Shamani. They punish her to an extent and the words are serious. And then I had to move from that school to Liba. Chiblock F. Liba.
No, not Liba.
No, Mopani Chimopani. It was a boarding school. So I went there and then I came back. At that time, we were also moving from Amucha to Block F.
Block F.
So that then I generally and then I went to a lot of schools. I went to Sasa.
Before Chivario?
Yes. Actually, long after Nerono Puka, because I went to Sasa. Then I had to story Pitori, Mara. My
primary level and secondary.
Like in the secondary, secondary.
Mara school zinji zozo zgona minura move kachino zuchia kachino.
Sometimes unofficially mungano wanga uruko jana guy and then the remaining and then there's this funny story that I remember. There was this other family friends so this other time now I was not going to school. Like she was a teacher and I had never been in a situation with it. I don't it was so interesting because that's what we had the one who and I think it was winter. And I actually bought me school books. For I think a day or two. That's for normal. I'm lost. But it was a good school. And then I came back. So yeah, from Liba I moved to Sasa.
Sure.
Sasa was fine. I mean, it was all about fun. And then there was a disappointment in the grade 12. In that from January to March, and I was like very, very determined. I'm a bright student. I've always been a bright student, except for mathematics, of course. Mara, from January to March, so I had to move back to Liba. Yeah, so that's where I completed my grade 12 in 2013. 2004. Yeah, not 2004. Okay.
2004.
Yeah. 2004. Yeah, it's a long time ago. It's a long time ago. From there, I wanted to study media. I grew up dancing. Next time I was Majorette, the Sarafina, and you won't believe what I was once a lead. Sarafina, watch Boomba, because I'm good and I was a great dancer and I just so because there's not so much nazo actor like but you never know what that's me. Like that's what I do. Like even now, I do that a lot. So because of that, I wanted to do media and journalism. So when they came to Babashkira's Career Expo, I said, no, this is what I want to do and this is what I've always wanted to do. I applied Bantenda. My mom Batenda. But una the voices me the influencer either or. So my uncle was like, no. The media because I think Cabo Nishamanga Media, it was all about becoming a presenter and they're thinking I'm not sure. Like, what are your plans? Yes. Presenter for like maybe 2 years or whatever, and it's over. So my uncle Barai, she must find a course that she can study so that she has something to fall back on when the media stuff doesn't work out.
So why man said over to now rich kadeba anabakasela la upbringing but actually no currently
yeah. So I had to go to Bloemfontein. And basically the thing is they said Bloemfontein mabrasi udoba contained angabi na mijayo jayo because apparently na nishijaya afya udo relax angeni mabrasi na udo tengena tungona mimi. And then I went to Bloemfontein, studied for a diploma in office management and technology. That was in 2004 to 2004, 5, 6 years. 2006, I don't know, you can go study your media and journalism. So I came to Johannesburg, Rosebank College, diploma in media and journalism. And yeah, for 2 years, basically, yeah.
Then from there, Unifen or Jana.
Univene, okay, what happened is when I was there, I was working on the campus radio station.
Okay.
So that's why I started in terms of radio. And when I was in high school, I been Univene to my high school because I remember I was in class na R1 Air Queen. If you remember, there was Air Queen. She's one of the first people we were in Tangeni. He was named Q. So I don't know what happened with me. Like I couldn't go or Univene. And then I came back after my diploma.
Sure.
I didn't actually immediately come back because we tried out some things. I used to go around na Terry, the big dude.
Okay.
We'd go around to Soweto, you know, recording demos and stuff, you know.
Terry
Terry is also from Amucha. Where Dingapa she's like 2 houses down. So I knew him from then, but he was a bit younger than me. So it was that thing was one. So we were used to each other and then write a diploma rote Rosebank College.
Okay.
So Rich paid a diploma in a rote Jamboree, you know, we basically like a family friends enough to you know, quit at the demo. You know, actually Terry Gold. Actually, he liked the name Terry Gold.
Yeah.
So I used to call him that even now, they're Terry Gold. So yeah, we used to do that. We'd go to SABC studios, reach him there the whole day, you know, just, you know, and you're hoping or maybe someone would mean, hey, you know,
yes, the opportunity.
You know, that's what we used to do. And then you know, this is not working out. Yeah. So I decided, no, let me go back home and try out Hayani. And in fact, when I came back, Bobo took over at Capricorn FM.
Okay.
Yeah. So I had hopes Zaurmini with the Jana Capricorn FM. This was in 2010.
Sure.
Yeah, I believe it was in 2010 when I came back. So when I came back, Univen FM, what happened is I had interviewed before.
Okay.
Apparently they lost my numbers. Heavy T said, hey, I've been looking for you. This one, you know, where have you been? I went back to Joburg because you guys are not number. We didn't know how to get a hold of you. No, okay, no, it's fine. And then immediately when I went there, they interviewed me again. But because they wanted what was Baba News,
okay.
I started reading English news. Baba Snam, yes. Baba Snam to Bala Makunga Chukua. So Nenda to Bala Makunga Chukua. It was fine. It was smooth sailing. I think it was, if not a year, maybe a year and a half.
Sure.
Yeah, because no Bala Makunga Chipanga Chirafu. Achukua. And then this quit and I started up on a show on a show in fact when I started Madekwana Madrumbas Mijaivo
I transition ubaka cause na become mapungo na disherni comes to mapungo also Capricorn base mara still regadia so any over I mean your presenter
presenting. I've never been more towards news because I feel like my personality, my character is too big for the news. Okay. You know, the mutani ndibandu the ambela ku ramaseyo ku joka udipa most so the news you go there, you read, you're done. Go back to your computer. You know, so I find it a bit, it's not boring, but I find it a bit out of character for me. Yeah. So the thing is, they didn't have an English news reader.
By that time.
And then the Shishikai, Baonori, Chukua.
You're an advantage. Yeah, actually, another advantage.
Advantage, you're in the Kachikuai. The good, you know, maybe you've been looking for a news reader, and you're finding all these people by Chukua, you know, nice.
That's perfect.
Yeah, so then she's going to write question on the chon. But I mean, you would you also do a show, Madekwana, you know, your Jaivi Sabat. And I did that, you know. Okay. So in any way, you take 9 to 12. That was after Samantha left.
Oh,
yeah. Because then she like Lucas Mashava. She was amazing. And then Samantha Saisi. I worked with her even on Choice. Yeah. So when she left, I got that slot.
And by that time, I joined like Univen over. Ndivyo group in Rakarombo origin nayo kana origin ayethe
no jana ndindote I found Palapetru na Deluca look like I'll never forget that girl Deluca Lucas Mashava. She was an amazing presenter. And even now like I get times where I just look up on Facebook or whatever social media pages and you won't find her anymore. I don't know where she is, you know. Yeah. But I don't know about Deluca and about Samantha, but I think Baba Univen.
Oh,
yeah. So then I could as an outsider into their station because most of the people were actually presenting. They were trying Univen.
Then from Univen to Choice, or other Univen or I mean, or I Choice, or General Choice.
Yeah. The politics is a radio. Yeah, yanity. There are a lot, and the Zingashka Zingani Kwasha. For you know what, maybe this is not for me, Narija. But I am very, very, very strong. Like
so the name of like
I think so what happened is that Univen, you know, okay, let me tell you this. Cards community radio stations. Community radio stations are there to build you. I think they are meant to help the community in terms of dishing out mapungo. But also to help hone the talent zaban and then a skill. Naba empower that way you can be proud of, this is our product, you know. Talent yes. But I don't know what happens with the community radio stations that we're in. They become too personal when you want to leave. They start hating on you, but why I don't know. So the same thing happened when I was trying to leave Univen. I was not trying to leave Univen because you know, you don't do that because you are growing your brand, you're growing your talent, you're growing yourself.
So but that no,
because ndo leave. So then for an interview Capricorn, you know?
No, Capricorn. Kadore. J'entends the N actually Univen. So by Univen. I a choice. Or it was actually general choice. Or much going to interview Capricorn.
No. Na gepo closer because choice over you know. I think it was in 2016, 2017, yes. So after university, I stayed at home for a few months, and then my sister. My boss that time over my second.
Okay.
On granta leave, and it's fine. Yes, and it's fine because Monday. It's fine, you can go because your interview is on Friday. And then after leave for okay, fine. It's fine, you can go. I'm on the interview. Only to come back, the taxi, it was a Monday. The taxi because like I'm very punctual. So which if in Janaka slot on 12. I mean a lot of people can come to radio stations, they don't come an hour before. So I remember I will never forget it. Justice my second one phone or Nkondi. And that don't run and then why? So you won't be able to read the news. And guess what? The previous week over there was another Messina interviewee one Rufi Mesnefe na Lulu. Yes, what are interviews? Emory what not mean Arjeni Ntanhla ngothi umuntu bana dziyambishini uboya the Capricorn.
Oh, flip and recover yes lazore enoko itazi.
Yes.
Yes. Zwine ndizone at the word ni kuvhonele kwanga kwo itisaniha naho anga si tu zwiamba a tshi tonga u a zwi pfhesesa ngori hawo hafhaḽa ndi tshi tsheka Univen kha vhathu vhoṱhe vhane ndi vhaaluwa Univen vha hone vha dzi present vhoṱhe vho no balangana mara hu na muthu o no nga Rotlas na Lomondo ra
u dzula haningei ya Rotlas ndavha thi but I'm sure in him ukonyagova in Kwambor not over because maybe unyala station and ukorana but no but to grow himself
for real.
Yes,
been there for quite some time.
Yes, or dangwana Univen and I'm seeing and it's been years Rotlas ono didana Choice FM azam ngo utwamba ngo uri ukubala mini I don't know. Why am I still here? Why am I not on radio? Because that's where I belong and I know my talent. But this is what I'm already.
I don't have to say anything. So it's been an hour already. I don't know if I'm pass. So it's the end of those one is. The nose was a peasant squid or none. Don't did your Shinyana or the training. I mean, but now one already working information as your own. I wear a national name that I was. Ene ngandire na vangayo abona ungarini abona lazune sazuna kwamba zono upangishwa ngamana choshimane ba mushumeli anini ya toda zvichichimira ngandira mara vari nthano
abasenye zvichimira ngandira
naona ri kamzi bana kuchimbizira kwabo kwa zvituku nei inini shambo ri kazvichimbidzo wenga endira namse nchizvidiboro zvichimira ngandira naona vone vachivana problem
no because nendozori as much as ni vanina the opinion dzana ti ni subordinate you not ohiriwa you can't impose those things kamabas unless they ask for your opinion so nendorali I'm very like outspoken and then they imela ndaba mara respectfully so so you need to know the boundaries or okay this is my boss you know maybe I can ask for a meeting why don't we do this okay for instance Univen I also came up with idea or ngushkwambo fi budget iko huma every year yotoraro. You know, and I was surprised, Dori. How can a station manager when there's so much that she can do for the station to grow it, you know?
What about your station manager?
I think she's still the station manager, Najib. Yes. So, and then that brought me to a point. I was remember maybe she really doesn't understand the media industry. And she actually also confessed, I'm a very boring person. I don't really know much, and I'm not really interested. I'm a homebody and stuff like that. And it's not a problem if you are, but you also need to understand what you guy and have a vision for unena
yes. But if you are there and you're not even passionate in the field,
we love it. In any honor, you are the steering wheel. Mara, you know, not stakisa.
Sure.
Do you get what I'm saying? Not stakisa. Mara, at that time she was willing. Mini, you know? And then I remember we came up with ideas. Like we came up with ideas. T-shirts. Let's give t-shirts to people. I will be na basi, like not basi, like maybe minibus or a quantum. The show that because and obo una bash ine yoba ikodeitwa hapana ni changes makasini ichikodeitwa ngabala bathanga bobi abathana lengwe libeshini ubadi man bo Oscar abala bathanga nendando badowela so I communicated with them ramba radzudzanya or okay fine ko the AKA and stuff and that's going to grow me Univen FM because ikodor mini abala bathanga I forgot the name yabo ya chibwada chaboti but I was going to say yenila na Univen FM. What was left was Urubadeliwa, and then unfortunately my mom passed away. So I had to abandon Isla and I was very happy. Like many other patients in the especially when it comes to entertainment and media. So because of that, I felt but that's because the only thing that was left to me is the payments. Just started apparently somebody or whatever. Just like that, you know. So I went back and despondent, you know, because you know you're looking at this thing that you love, and I actually quite happy too, you know, just so and you know there's a lot that you can contribute, but you are not in a position to contribute. Yeah. So after Univen, because till so basically I was demoted because I went to an interview guy, Capricorn.
And I think it's the very same way in a about work leadership. About this zone the employees there because now then I just go the interview Robert Marao, Kapunga Semegi. So this is what around. In any voice, the Zorum comes to morning. Yes. And then from there, you just receive a call of Adam C.
Then from there. And the funny thing is, I told him, no, I'm already in a taxi, I'm on my way there.
Yeah.
Okay, it's fine, don't risk. And then that she's got no, I need you to explain to me what's happening. Why you calling this song that that was just a lot of comment that guys leave. You won't permission and you guys come another reception. You said around the form, you even went to Chili's office around the form. So now what's the problem? You won't believe the receptionist vehemently denied. Ndanda vaisarati ndavaisare saman mara ndadzura sofani ane pala reception ndandoendera chiridzi uright. I mean ambudzori what's going on because I can see uri it's more than just makungorunda interview. I need to know what's going on. She wasn't coming back apparently voya guy, I don't know. Chipinga chamapungo choshika ukuti vari bulletin. Where's Nhlanhla? She's nowhere to be found. She doesn't pitch.
Sure.
And guess what? Justice comes to me. Gondris, can you go on air and read the news?
The fuck?
No way. I'm not gonna do that. I took a while of Mapungo. I moved to this song that. And then go on suspend because no interview this na leave. So what you work and over. I know more Jenna studio. Zoe Selodua. Zoe Sangamanda. Like I remember I was laughing. Like none of that, and I also met Clifford Mangani, and he's been like my little brother ever since then. So Rarko Sianga Mandana Cliff, and then like so I left. When I left, that's how I show you my page. So I would go there on Saturday, page in the show the chai say, and that was it. I didn't see anyone or anything, and then that my boutique ya cousin Yanga, my cousin. Port Elizabeth, she opened a boutique. She wanted somebody to take care of it, and I mean, she knew. Or I know people. I'm outspoken. I can get clients, and I'm very good with marketing as well. So yeah, I worked at that boutique. It was quite an interesting journey. And then I'm seeing this boutique. I would do because Nashumasa, a democracy education facilitator. So that meant I had to go around. Rights and stuff like that. So that was like one of my happy moments, in fact, because that meant in front of large crowds. In the arm, because like everyone is. You feel the respect, giant, and then after that, I went back to my cousin's boutique, and that's when Chase FM Ishivur. I knew it was going to be there before because I'm friends with Ashifa Shaba's little brother. So he told me, and I was very excited.
But I just heard like the rumors here already. Namsi Achia choice. Asangotea oya wembe uto but that time wembe yachikadibana frequency ntiya zatu rotary frequency ya viliana wonorea.
In fact, there is no frequency at all. Ndibembe.
Onchunga chamsuka tiro mbovi uderia mi.
Rarichia for the meetings almost all the time. Api ukwarenga ba is it Santec? Ndibone.
Yeah. Santec. Kandor. Basantec ungara ndibone bonoita.
Yeah, ndibone bodengao. So baba korenga amanda the studio but it wasn't top of the art. MDDA yonovaka. There was I think it's Santa Ngone Korenga or something. So because of that, it meant for the meeting, you know.
Yeah.
And then I
radio station.
Yeah. And then I'm a for training, for training, and I was like, guys, I don't need a lot of training. I didn't want to sound boastful that I don't need training. And that's why I don't need a lot of training. And I've got a child, so I mean, I need a job. Yeah. So
but that time I could train
so I went to audition for Mubango. And Banjia, and then that's when I started. So that's when I started doing Mubango as a doctor. And then this because
okay.
I couldn't go to Joburg full time. I mean, what if or maybe you know, it's not worth it. The one in a contract, and then you can move to Joburg. So then to travel and churning.
So izo kako travel kwa audition ozita zamba kozita
ndazita odelani akono
abakoroni ndinga 2017 18
I think it was 20 not 2018 I think it was 2016 17
zambor comes in before unazimwe zobia za dane bona na radio for mara azubia zwa chimbiliza zwa so samsapo ngeli kayo ya mbango zoba zwa chimwa chingapa
ya mbango ndoita from 2016 2016 yes and then 2017 2018 yeah, the last time I recorded Kamubango Ndandika Capricorn, and that was in 2019.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, that was in 2019.
Then overcome cheta already avekam una zvinova pochivini hati overcome zikatu media houses na mean
yeah mara yayo mirayo ape ishuma kaizvila zvori you can't be cut to media houses in terms of maybe acting.
Sure.
It can be applied if you are acting and then you can radio and present as you but that happened when I was at Choice.
Okay.
Because I went to Capricorn FM for the interviews in the Choice. And
Capricorn gara kupose
unfinished vachitovhura ndovandiyanenge mara because nansa kushumaka community radio station we can't take you.
Foundation ya community radio.
Nana ndikobva karadio mara yagai eskoloni. So vanhu ndivo vanikobva pano kuyangopa chance vatu vane voshuma pano. So I had to keep knocking. You know, I had to keep knocking and I don't give up basically. I knock until whether it opens, whether another door opens, it's fine, but I keep knocking.
Then so zvambori namse arvesa zvina kwamba zvonzva acting zvisa operate kalipasi la Mubango ndi act.
Yes.
Choice FM ndi presenting.
Yes.
Choice or any Choice FM achivoto resigner.
Choice FM ndichibva ndoto resign. Ndo resigner because actually ndo vandichikuita Mubango zvezvo. And then what happened is I went to audition for CAP. When I did, the same thing happened inofana namsina yandigai. Ndiyo ni vene. Richibuya kubva interview raro baranyana. Richibuya interview na clip na what's her name Rory. Rambo ditomo kondiseriwa nyana. Muzvana ndazva ndichiri vatu vane vachimbidza dzi community radio stations. I think they forget or they are meant to empower us. They are meant to educate us.
Nditaidzo ya community radio. Una imwe ine actually ndivuana FM nayo. Ndikumwe kukuneni about
personal.
Thank you.
Not only when you're trying to grow yourself, baba personal, baba I don't understand why.
Why is this so?
Because I don't know.
Foundation. It's like primary now need to finish someone guy.
Yes, uto high school.
High school. Marana now kumfisa ka 5 plan
you know, or you must just remain here. You know, they don't allow you to grow. And I mean, you know, I saw on Twitter this other day, community radio station in Mpumalanga, Ichikotongisa Mwashi. Yomupanga here, congratulations to, you know, our product, you know, Uko join SABC, I mean, and they were excited. Nari, you know, this should be happening in Limpopo, but this is not happening, Karin.
And what about Zunondo Zubana? All you might say to Una Kwamba Wone. or number u apply kha community radio dzoṱhe nga ndavha ya uri ni vhane ḽa zwo ri arali ni vha tshi khou amba zwine a ni khou zwi tikedza na fhedza na zwi hana na fhedza no bva vha a kona uri hezwi ni vhono sala nga tshavhiwe vha ri hoḽa ri ḓivha uri u khou ita zwigede u ḓo ya gai ngori ni ro rali ri vhembe ahuna uri u ḓo ya ṅwe fhethu u ḓo ri ya musina hune musina ri na connection u ḓo ri ya nzhelele
ri a kona u fhisa hayi vha a kona u fhisa badi vha ya kona u ni fhisa mara hu na huṅwe fhethu hune ḽiṅwe ḓuvha I'm telling you uri vha nga si kona u ni fhisa because what you have is yours and ahuna muṅwe muthu ane a ḓo dovha tshi dzhia ni ngo zwi pfhesa vha ḓo ḓi tou ni tshivha fhaḽa na fhaḽa mara eventually one day ni ḓo phuletshedza ngo zwi vhona because rine ro ri tshi vhuya ngei Capricorn ra thoma u tshintshiwa ri thoma u fhiwa zwiḽotho zwine you know ri tshi livhuwa zwavhuḓi ngei choice compared to Univene ri khou fhiwa zwiḽotho zwine a ri tsha livhuwa hezwiḽa zwe ra ḓowela ndivho dzo notsa obviously hezwo zwithu zwi khou ḓo ni vhaisa no zwi pfhesa ra ṱanganedza mani ra ṱanganedza but then what happened is Samantha had to leave again tsiri nne ndo no isiwa huṅwe ndo bviswa kha ende ra tshita drive tina Keford so ra tshi bviswa ra bviswa kha drive pangwa vhaṅwe vhana hafhaḽa avhaḽa vhana vha tshi pangwa kha drive u pangwa wanani and I when he came o swika kha nne apfi ndi mugudisa na mitshini na mini na Mr. Majo o swikela kha nne mugudisa na mitshini na mini and they are big now by Capricorn Majestic or the way up Chandono too so
remember it's like history got repeat
yes
uri aka Univene aye Capricorn ayo da audition achi uyo bana na kha choice still zwa
na problem yene
then karjene kha ndira ina ofedza o jena kha
Capricorn what happened is Cherno Resigna ka choice. Resigna ka choice I continued na Mubango. So as I was continuing na Mubango I remember this other time bashim for nine then the office in Zamadoko ndiko rara rumo for I can't the job back and do a recorder but it was actually the day that I was supposed to be coming back. Mara niskono we ngodna kupanda korara. So I got a call on that very day. I got a call from Bembe FM actually first.
So
Bembe FM over I forgot his name, but he called me. Oh, Funzo Kumfona Uri Mukumbira Kumburi. Me there. I've got a slot for you. We want you to come and work. And what? Yeah. Ndari. Okay. You know what? Let me call you. Let me call you back. The Kadwando Far. Okay, fine. Even though Musano Zorindi was the Chimbisa. Yes,
and most people check already won one and so
Avakormini, after Babona Najinji, Mukundi Marai, Tanzania Zamanga so much. Okay, it's fine. We're going to buy petrol. So, number the phone is Capricorn. But you for Capricorn, are you available now? Ndari available barni guys you know ndari just no lish come and go back bari can you come on Monday
bom phone already
bom phone it was a Friday earlier I think bari ninga danga Monday because I remember no tomorrow 5 bari ninga danga 5 is a March 2018 yeah bari ninga danga Monday na so basically I was not going to have an interview. They know we're okay. This is what is going to happen. So they just said come through, orienting you know, Kushmele Kwashi in the news room. In fact she asked me, would you be interested? And I'm thinking, hey, you know, making a living. I'm not thinking my passion, because here's the thing that I've realized: passion doesn't put bread on the table anymore. Most persons.
And because at least as we.
The passion is never na zendo chirine mbidzo yanga ndi uba presenter actually as zone dzine dza khoritela buchiro most persons atiko kono richidza so whatever you get you take. Which is why nishko wana muthu ane o study shabo dzi biochemistry ukoshima Shoprite Tilene. So your passion is not pain. Do you understand? You're just taking whatever comes ngantani I mean anzulele ya shango za zwino. So vachimufana would you be interested? Come back then. That the one mean. New single yamboranyana one.
Already over no experience
presenting and I news and game
one honor news as a click
in most person. So I would have told her and then I spawn you see ambora. That one for me. How do I presenting game? But I had to take it because I'm thinking, you know, I need to earn a living. Most person. Yeah. So and this year it was a very nice and working environment, I must say. Like I worked so well.
Capricorn choice now Univen. Angamur road roman scopas combo.
Adzibambedziwe ndingabambedza Chase na Univen. But in terms of skill, ndingasidzibambedza because Chase FM is up here.
Okay.
In terms of, you know, let me tell you, Ashifa Shabane.
Sure.
He is good. Too much. Like I love radio so much. Ndishijana gorini yanga. Ndingiyajana ndina playlist ka phone and record this no. Mara ndiyazifora inengo bore, you know, I want to listen to people talking. So the minute I start listening, if I'm not listening to the stations, so ndiyabani kozi for I know man, this doesn't sound good. It should have been like this. It should be like this. When it over kokakulula
ndizona problem nazo cause even na TV ndichibona chichipinga then want to go the side ya production than also consumer now ndichitecheresa amanda za zvine ibunja watu varini nisochatecheresa cause rena inini vanokwambora
bora because they don't understand uri ini mind wanushumisa hani and ine zvinokuti ni vaninga ngomukazvi yes same applies nani ndishikobona TV I direct a lot yo ndiambora yesu zvofuna sinoita so and I notice the small things already gamu yova yellow murova ti nomsundi veivona rana msomupa gamu ya blue you know I see like I'm very observant when it comes to zvinenda zvifuna so kana ndikotecheresa ai nendiambora I know it's supposed to be like this and there's just one guy those one kashifa because Shaba will tell you can't say it is exactly 10 o'clock. How do you know it's exactly 10 o'clock? That's the watch yanga zefana ngone ngikho 1 minute past 12 yanishko 2 minutes past 12
so did you woman you visani
you just tell them the time that you're seeing but don't tell them it's exactly because it's not exactly
exactly
yes most person and never should with samara actually thought she's for no man this guy he's got so much wisdom and he imparts that wisdom and already niche corner uyinwa if you want to ni want to change and I'm telling you apala I learned a lot even though but in terms of working environment, Capricorn FM, I know it was the best working environment in Kai.
Then Capricorn FM.
Capricorn FM, what happened is they were coming through difficult times, you know, in terms of finances. And in Botswana, but the thing is, Polokwane is expensive.
Oh, okay.
And so then cousin yanga, but I can't stay with my cousin forever. Because when you know, you are a woman, you are an adult basically. And then I said that I want to stand up Zabosishiho. It's very dangerous for living because Nenda Nichita 10 to 12. But then the weekends, you alternator if I want to Kanabodi holiday, you want to go to your Janam to sorry, a holiday in the condition. Someone do want to come, someone maybe a 5, more bulletin for 6. So, how will you drive in Kobagosi? Someone got you on a person and the Konodrawani or right. And Nati Motanelia Kono Udra, but the community Petro Dalabato, I can't. So, now financially. Because I need a place of my own. Maybe we are strained.
And it's about our no more now. Still, we'll see enough. And there's going to so you know what, financially ndingasikona isaphandana mina na Capricorn, but I tried or ndwane dzibrege tsini zinene ngakona dzula mara ndichitsetsana na mina dziko dura when I check or ndikopuwa guy ndikomba dzo share mwachipesa ndaona uri dziko dura I want to but
it means uri ndidova ndikotoshumira mini vudzulo nouya ngori ndina vana ndikotiova ndichikuita ndichivuya hayani so ndaona uri it's not going to work but even now I send them my demos. They know uri I still want to, and by news they told me Mukondi, if you want to come back you can come back anytime.
So richikorevesa kasiyala lamsa achikukava ti iri ni news reporter ne yadoveri news reader arichikoreva rahumela kevula zvine odeyambori lipasi lamapungu anodiviya jena kalo maratu zvipfori ni azvipangani news reporter ndilo zveni tiova nichikotoya hoiteyawo
nikoripota mapungu nikotochimbira nichiya, and when I started ndova ndikuuya like nadzi una vatu vane vatoshunga kuripota newspapers but davapavewo vanimwarera and such stuff mari 9 you look for news nadimwarera
so aine ndikoda chitori chiti una chimwe chine ouya aya atochikava
ndorokhavarisa zvithu zvinji like in terms of maybe for instance una okay vamurova pakadzi news vobeki vo vava Soweto such things you go to such events you cover, you listen na record sinokorekoda inichishika studio what happens nikuona chitori and abeni umbure karadio mapongo it's 4 minutes basically so yambori noya ka event ine maybe it was 3 hours nikotoyamba mbuno dza 4 minutes and ubve mbuno bathu vachozorohiteya mini Pesa. Remember the key points.
Ukatishuma zvodzi 5Ws and 1H.
Yes. And ange kwamba karadio azvitwa zvitanda kufana nakaguranda ati so zviva short brief ndipo sentence nyana ngoni ngotoijenisana mini
nadziclip
so zviva zvitongamana, so you must make sure you put the important stuff across. So now zvene ndi mushumo ngamanda uri ndikutova ndikotecheresa ni nisaukanyi uri ndimini chine chava important ndijenise mini ndichipe chine chadova impactful ndichipe chine chadokunga vatu vaone vatu vadosara vana mbutsiro apala totokwamawanimina because vatu vatosara vachikopfezwa mini oiteya so
ndoda zvari chikwamba kazvonazvo ndizi what happened when, who was involved, who and how ndizvone dzine dziva dzichikokona ukavhara edzo nthu zvambori
bulletin yam
iyadova yava sa-advice kha muthu ane u khou ṱoḓa khamusi u tshi khou pfhi khamusi dzi audition dza mafhungo zvambori a tshi khou senda demo yawe i tea u vha
ya mafhungo
yo contain hezwo zwithu.
Yes, and remember to also uri muthu arali a tshi khou ita audition ya rata ni songo dzhia mafhungo a kale abe like ri khou evolve ti ndo rali ndi nga si ambe nga tshiṱori tsha musi Jubjub a tshi thula vhana ndi zwali ngosipesa mulovha vho tefa vho fariwa court ndi khou tea amba zwithu zwa so ndi kwamba if ndi khou recorda mulovha but if ndi khou recorda na musi zwi amba uri ndo no vhona dzi news kale nṋe ndi tshi vuwa in the morning ndi vuwa nga mafhungo na cup ya coffee every morning so zwi amba uri already ndina mini ndi azwi uri kuitea mini nga matsheloni mwafesa nga masiari vha khou repeatela zwifhio zwa nga matsheloni vha ndi ṱoredzela nyana zwo iteaho nga masiari nga madekwane vha khou tisa mara zwithu zwo iteaho mini throughout the day mwafesa
afho mafhungo
mara nga matsheloni fresh
ndi azwi for a dovholona ne but I never thought uri amadekwane tshiṅwe tshifhinga ibe tshitonga sort of like a summary.
It's a summary ni check vha khou ni vhudza zwithu zwo iteaho zwoṱhe ndi uri vha nga dzhia the most important stories dzo iteaho and then vha ḓo ni fha tshiswa arali tshi hone tshine tsha vha uri tshi worthwhile mara arali hu sina zwi amba uri vha khou ni dzhenisa zwithu zwoṱhe vha nga kha ḓi tou zwi refresha mini dzi angle ngori the most important thing is to change the angles because okay bulletin ya 5 ndi ḓo vhala tshiṱori nda ri vho tefa vho fariwa khothe nga mulandu uri a vho ngo attenda court case yavo ya assault zwi amba uri nga 6 thi nga si dovholesa the very same angle ndi khou tea u tshintsha khamusi angle tshiṱori tshithihi ndi ḓo vha ndi tshi khou amba mafhungo uri ṱhamusi ndi ḓo sedza kha sia ḽa uri is it just uri vha tou fariwa na ndi khou spesa ndi ḓo sedza zwezwo ndi sedze na maybe warrant of arrest yavo uri how long zwo tendelwana zwi amba tshiṱori tshanga tshi ḓo bva kha zwenezwila mara ndi tshi khou amba nga mini matshiṱori tshithihi
zwi amba uri ni zwi ita ndezwo zwo siela mbilu vhudenga uri namusi ni tshi khou ṅwala tshiṱori this time around namusi tshi wana vhuṱanzi siyani zwiṅwe zwine ni ḓo zwi shumisa
later on. Sometimes you can even use that for maybe social media posts. Athi ri ni tshi fhedza vhala mafhungo bo Capricorn FM ngora a tshi ḓivha uri maybe zwiṅwe dzi station vha zwi ita na mara Capricorn yo rala ri tshi fhedza vhala mafhungo ri a Twitter and then you sign off ni a ṅwala uri Mkondeli Mutambi. Jamur arali cho chwangane, chobarongane, chidormini Mkondeli Mutambi. And then also naka website yabo. You go there, bapanga story zwana ne pala. Ngosifesa. So jamu zaba kupanga story zena zibala marabanga khadipanga mi. Zungazithu because it's a different media platform. Asi radio. Ndimini ndi ukubali waka the website, so it's different. We're going to engage the lines. Okay. Do you understand? Because nichko bad, it's that 4 minutes. Mar nichko wana, someone they're going to engage the sentence nya na tanda is. Yeah.
So Zomarni, kasi la health na kwamba zona. Story ne kona uyana rochi na chi report ani ane ponna wa. Ugadi una chi teach ne comes obiara ko chi cover those foreign. Nah, this is too much. Chine comes angaba nacho you know when we are reporting incidents like you were like
is it also going to not really, but okay. There's this actually ngombono ri nendo la dofura ngombona t-shirt in terms of you know. So I was sent off to go and report on a story quite Premier's office Polokwane. I didn't know what you were called joga like because Chimbila from Apala opposite SABC that park. Marando was wearing wear comfortable shoes. Remember that should have been a hint, like a sign or why comfortable shoes.
Sure.
Most first and I went.
Sure.
Rochimbila. See? And I think it was DA Lancharan Sakaki was their Premier's office. Yes. Chimbila uva palani rabarich koya guy. The office is a Premier. And then I went there, I got there, and I told me over interview. So that I felt you know, the walking, it was a lot, especially because Dan is prepared for your yeah.
Okay, cool. So moving forward, the one is called the introduction. This comes as interpreter. So actually, when I was to Nandorari, the Guru Namanda Kachivenda. So she was one or but to compound project zabo comes the English. But come and translate it. And there was another already. And that's good to it. Zine nga ushaya ndivo ya vatu vasoko ngarini ndrona vyana kona ukonotaucheza zvithu at least ni vanhu nova naye ndivo so ene richida vesa comes in the person lori wakono interpret na hezwi zwa cover story na mean cause chimwe chimwe uri mutovori like ina fuvo ka Capricorn ro vo kushumisa English ngamana uva interpreter sharp zvitoda mini kana tricky or what's needed or nive interpret.
I think because interpretation is part of communication. So I think with that communication you need to be fluent. You know, whichever language in ena koi amba, need to be fluent. So and then I'm sitting to para. Then she interpreter. I was actually thrust interpreter. A friend of mine from here, Oba Obidzor, I interpret. Nga from Joburg, and he called me. Ari Gondrese, I know or Inui, you are good at talking, public speaking as well. I don't know, will you be able to do this? This guy wants me to do this, and I'm not available. Ndari way. Aroroni amakwarela. And okay, who interpret what I mean? Arish, I'm not sure. Just go there, you'll see. I woke up, I prepared, and I went. So when I got there, Matiko oko interpret wa javosi, the kudami, zinon zavosi. And I did that for, I think, 3 years. But it was not an everyday thing. And also, no contract to a company, no contract to a department.
Okay.
It was department, yeah, so I would go there, that's the interpreter from Chivenda to English for panel, and then from English to Chivenda for Chichava.
The first day,
on the spot. Actually, Nimanoshka Palakit, okay, Lodzura and the interpreter. No, we never know. Let's say we don't know Kai side Yang ya Chanda Chaula. A panel comes to drop a air never draw regime. hanke hote odzira community tamsi odzira community yamakwarela ine yakorera muhosi yamakwarela ine tamsi yodotecheresa kana yoperekedza vamsanda vonyinyi vane vakukudhana namugedhe ukupi musanda wakuma ndinyi ofesa such things so zvambori ndinodzora palani ndikotecheresa nyi panel ichivutisa mbudziso panel huva huvatu huva huchiva huvatu vararu kana vana vane vavori ndivone vahulwane that sector yadzikudhano idzilani so ndandichivandodzira nepala ndikuchiisa chikuwa ndachiisa kachivenda ndavudza ava vatu vadzikudhano reufi so ava lavadamanga chifenda uri zviri in nenda humisanga chikuwa. And then it was fun. It was so much fun. Now I can do it anytime around David. So I remember this other time about Davo Bafunzi Bodaga. Una bumwe bose abo kudanirwa nepala. Echivenda chimwe chipingati echiyakondisa mani. Abala vatu vakotari chezuri abala vatu beba dava chabos vodanga uri ovano sudzuru swa vamwe vatu and baba vachifuka vova vachifuka vachibvera muramboni vakusipesa zvi zvinokana nekubvera yavori mini vakuapyera you know pena yafasavara that's not what we're saying ndara vori kubvera I was so confused. Live yanepo and rari palamendeni yapano yachando welodo.
So bachiri ubvera kwamba ubvera
or this person is you know ukovherera somewhere like you're appearing or you are you're approaching us from whichever side. Yes, that's what I thought.
Cause esunani achikamba so azvikombisa kachimwe chitori chofini na uyava nakudhano ngamanda nakazva zva milayo na zvine rwalwo zvizvone cause ndikombura mumwe actually achidinga interpreter ororari weti kofini chimwe chipinga ushimisa ruwambo rwa zvitaratani kamulayo zviyanifarisiyisa cause kofini uyava unamukegulu ava mukegulu vochipiriwa mwana vachirepiriwa mwana ava mukegulu zvino vakoyamba lakoti vakomborumi ndombona oreipa ono ni mwananga uvuka mbona ari ndeti ngoreipa and una hoyi wa interpretation futa ngoto vakutaruchidza jaja mufika kwa mkegula mutira anongamba ngo ani raping anongomreipa na zvino
vakorogota
and vakomgoda and jachukoto pesa achikufa chituna chimwe chinokobva kaona mkegula vari nini yo
interpretation
urango mreipa
and bone vakogoda
so ene kayo incidence yaubvera nami
vopesera kutohamba vafunzi vone vani vodagada vari ndikwambo rwavachi valiamba ngali ny nenamudiri vavachikaya. That was the funniest day. Like and I didn't expect kuti vafunzi vagohamba so man no ukwambo chivenda ringirekeni ukwambo chivenda so you know it was just to vahambe ngorara
so zvambori ni imwe tricky iyo rini what's needed zvikudzana ni mune nichi nitiyobala depending or you kushimiswa language ipiyo you must also research on the things zineni kuti yodziinterpret mosipesa mara nitiyoba ni mtu aniyabala ngamanda and you must be a person ane clued up. You must know a lot of things. Yambari nduri nitiyoba ni interested kazi itu za shangoni mosipesa because from there I was also asked to interpret Chitsonga ati Mutsonga, but they needed Mutua Mutsonga and that guy was not able to secure Mutua Mutsonga. And they asked me, Mukonde, we need you. And I told them, Mara mina Chitsonga and Shitewi in Zaleo. Do you understand? And they said, no, Mara Shashosh Kewaka Otaipona, because we can't work without an interpreter. I had to travel to Valdezia, Elodua, and then that's kind of interpret. Naranayo. No specific. I Naranayo, man. Sure.
And every time Nishko show man, Nishko correct you. You need to have a notebook. No notebook.
It's right on.
It's right on. Or Nijian is the need the phones in home.
So let's talk about your size.
My what?
Your size now.
Do you want to buy me an outfit? I love clothes. I love clothes. So if we're talking about size, that means you're in Konyango, Jane Sabengiri.
Okay, cool. But let's talk about something that you are passionate about, man. I think, are you a model?
I do everything, eh? Everything and anything.
The plus size model?
Yeah, I do. I do. If I find an opening, I do it. Even now on my phone, I'm in a group, Limpopo plus size models. Yeah. So if ndina chipinga, I do the Janeiro. And then na Janeiro, it came by chance because Ndandi choice, and then there was a competition. You already, Jaivan, Jaive, and then you'll be a model. And in their seat, it was never to so that Jaiva, and then because you didn't chase, you go to Clifford. So, and the Jaiva posted a video, and that video ni posted a lot. What she wanna jump on in Angor Mini. Hey, Lydia, I was one. I want to see it. So they chose me. It was me actually from Limpopo. I was the only one from Limpopo. And then Zana, Deben, but was Joburg, Cape Town. Yeah, so we went to Cape Town, the other competition, and we did a bit of modeling, and that's why I loved it. I loved it so much. And I was one of I mean, the makeup on a minute. I'm Baracha Brichiswa, Nature Monamani. Oh, Gomri opposite or Niafunas camera, Ranganisha Barachis on those words. And yeah, Bamamongo, the camera is the Amshumo Atifuni, Marandina Chamberchisha, no Ziwa, no Naka. But what do you raise a point in your modern meaning? Like we're living in a world where these days is just going on, and actually goes longer the cyberbullying, it's everywhere. My special coaching and I can't pass along the body shaming. So on a mutual so far, I'm just glad it was not the one and 90% went to the plus size. And like when I saw it, I was like, damn. This is what we need, but maybe any one about it, like bringing Yahweh. I'm going to be a body shaming. And what do you tell, like a person and also for comes to size Yahweh? I want to what was I'm too nditaidzo waramutu nditaidzo wabamsekene sekene still got a problem and nditaidzo but what do you tell a person and watch kodanga comes to body shaming zora body shaming because here's the thing, we are built differently. Rini wumroba Hoboko generally wa Uncle Waffles. Okay. Because actually Madame Lamana. Oh. Zosko circulate transgender. So body shaming can not like kisani. They'll find something. They will always find something to shame you on. Okay, I didn't really have a lot of people watching Bizori Shibumba, but yes, no one Shibumba. I remember I had this guy and then I grew up when I went to visit and I had this inkling. I was ashamed, but I said, you know what? This guy needs to feel Uri. But I was very young. And then growing up, and then I got to a point where, like, okay, I was a late bloomer, and then I didn't even have calves. No, and I reached grade 9, and I wanted to make a cool state. So, but that time, watch see that big. It wasn't like extremely big. Mara what you wanna take heavy. So even at the end Gonders in fact because not Gonders but I'm going to I feel like heavy. So you know that's how they knew me. Uruna and then so yeah, I grew up in school. I'd come to the cave. We embrace caves in Gamma. So because of those caves, I didn't really have much of a problem. You feel the fee, you know, unabtada kind of mean. But in terms of skin color, I think on the chamutu. I remember, like, people didn't usually bang or whatever, but I knew already moved. And then this other friend of mine said, Gondelo Shipanga Kore, what was this reaching? I've Gondelo Shipanga Kore, and it's not Zombaisa. And then I said, that's why I still remember that statement. Because Zombaisa, because it's not something Chine in anyone could reach it or especially in a society in a Banashnev.
Okay.
You want to fall part of yes, and you can't control because I know this sick. So the camera already mutu achiko uchira kale pasele ene mune wakono raditangane. It's hard with mango. It's very difficult. Mara, I believe in faking it until you make it. Niabana rana fake confidence. Nidoshka onena idowera. Idoni idowera na mobile one. Most person. But another thing is for the big-bodied ladies,
okay,
we have a problem sometimes. You ambara, jine ajiera ni namuri washo.
Thank you.
So iba problem, and then but then you call it. The thing is, nena nem chibumba. Marogamba ngo nena sisho se chibumba chwa ambara jifakwita out. Nichidonga sagala madabra. Nichidonga vorosi ya rutu neli ambara. I'm telling you. It's not something we have to keep quiet about. And no one in Gana Wangan Kuchimran and Yan Binoram Ganabo. I don't know Ramga. Mama says, no ring and I mean, you know, yes, you don't think this there. I'm phony. No special, but then Branga underway over. Courage keep buying a chinch never scratching.
Like I went through your profile. Like no, yeah, sort of.
I know my body type. Bumba mara the body types azifani ngosifesa unamthane una breast cool ana mubili ado baba namkhaba muhulu ukulingana na breast
so
nione ngangena nombra uyi awuna chithu
so
ngosifesa and then
ukuthi
idolo HTD nione ndo ambra kukipa kune you know amarani chikipa cha loose ngeno accentuate jinena ndozori ndi zvavudi kha muvili wanu ngosifesa if you know manager mionaka khawubona le yone apa ngosifesa like arthambe ngambili yashwandira yavudi.
Okay, cool. Not fun. But let's talk about something today. I saw them, but that time that's not way vendor. But you were part of those people who ended up on Boba, Bokwame Manda, Bokwame no precisa, Bangobat both, even though we know or is right. But Rufuran Truman, Rufuran Rodagaran Mapori, Juliana. I think. It's like you were too much concerned.
Okay, Taki, basically my sister on a fit and line. She stays in Pretoria. She was best friends na Taki.
Okay.
May her soul rest in peace. Nine over fit and line. So they were best friends. And then my sister Lilani is also best friends na Mane wa Moa. So like we remove his own money more things like so we like that close. We're not even so re close ngene happy una shito reanengi nabone badzwa na rine. So we were that close. So Jodiana was always, you know, he was always a bubbly person.
Okay.
You know, even when I heard, like, I was shocked. Or no, man, I don't understand because I had actually seen him 2 weeks prior. Mara because Nandi Gorini Dishkofira, not only there and Takalani, you know, Ari, you know, and then the one could so, like, in fact, it's touching when I'm Ashipua. Ngamusi ene mune otrijia cheo ya orende kunyangu tu ngospesesa
not
ngoro olwala namsi olwala ziyababa because you see umuntu kofoba bakana mara muntu abi yatrijia cheo it's much more painful I think ngoro ziyamba zoro umuntu ziyaba chimbila khazwo ti zwo vhesa too much for N or byro zwienda. I mean, we go through a lot. Even now, muṅwe na muṅwe khou go through a lot.
For real.
Ngonzipfesesa. I mean,
that's a youth, yora.
Yes, ra cheka chivaro.
Zwitigana zwiṅwe zwithu zwine
ndikale kha musi notidumba. Ngonzipfesa. Takalani Orala was a gay person in a society it's not yet there in terms of accepting the LGBTQI community. We have people that accept, but majority is not yet there. So jambo rina musi nichikochira kha chipinga choralo na community oralo ini. You know, you're not completely free. And the Takalani Orala, he had dreams and ambitions. But he was an he was an artist. So there's a lot of things that we are not achieving in terms of art. And and then every time I bet this is what I want to be. This is where I want to be. You know, Jodiana Orala, given the chance, if he was still here, you know, it was taking time, but given the chance, he would have been very, very big. And I mean, but they make it when they go to Gauteng. Sure. But it's not for all of us. It's not for all of us. Unless you know Ray. Because we are already, it's just doesn't matter if there's a contract. Because some of us are in a family in a, you go to Jobeke and support. Yes. And they're never venda. We are a conservative, you know, nation, rurality. Arabatu abalabane ni dokwa mtu achiri over Eastern Cape or Farabegi we page at the Muzuri azvinezva data notikarina
story zvabathu vanji vane the up there story zone zvino
yes rine rwa pano rina vabebi vono rithogomela rina vomakuru arikalinga ndala zvenda ngosipesa una dzitongoripo una dzina meneme miroho ntoka ngosipesa so riya rina nyopo yosoko ndizosokota kwandara ndozvibona ningei ndidolala na pipe ningalala pipe nini ningalala pipe nini
so mara entity samthu ane comes obathi naye now ringa story ni orala uba utwana zwine wa zwidiva uri ndi mini zwo itaho uri ni ava zwine ava zwone but vhunzhi ha vhathu vha sumbedza uri khamusi dza dzi thaidzo khamusi dza zwi stress na mini something like that.
We are a depressed nation. We are a depressed nation.
With
some people
pictures.
Yes, some people know how to manage their depression and some don't. Let me tell you, from day in and day out, they are so called anxiety and then for Norman, this is too much because I'm sitting here on the couch.
Okay.
I want to be on radio. I want to be on TV. I want to be working, but I'm not. You know, I hustle. I do this and that. I've even subscribed on internet in one of the scripts.
Okay.
But it's not what I want to do. So it's actually depressing. And sometimes we are not all strong. We can't all be strong. And zoraro atire ziambori hava na ubulinyana kune inu ningajeniseriwa test like havana test nawela khayo nowela la chothe and you are not coming up ngozifesesa you know unaba ngoba tuchishipinga uba ononeta fighting spirit is chill and you find room to ndikale akhulwa man ndikale akupusha but oneta achakona you know rianeta noneta nchakona do you understand and then you feel or you know what, this is just too much and I can't handle it day in and day out. Ndibe ndikosedza miloro yanga isakovelela ndibe ndikosedza vamwe vathu vachikuchira vuchiro kune I can possibly reach obula vuchiro mara ndikobaleliwa
and I have what it takes to be there.
I have it you know mara ndikobaleliwa. I'm not given an opportunity. I'm not given a chance. You know, or let me say Vembe. There's so many things that we need. In terms of art, ngamanda. But they can be swimming for a living. Mara, we don't have such opportunities. Dancing in the Amba because I'm a dancer. Like I used to dance for Tando Dancing Academy, Lishita, the ballroom dance and stuff like that. And then Mara na zone azungwe ya petu. ndichikonudza zvino rarichita pala arts and culture ati na-indoor sports center mara zvingoya petu it's not there, it's nowhere.
But still namdzurari una samne ndorari utovarani ringambori zvitoda confidence rakwamba zvano cause nenane uri ndipedza ndichikwamborini ndipasila maradio andikonditupa I'm going to do my own things because una zvithu zvingisa zvino ndidovapo ndavona ungarini ndithaidzo nakangosiyela kumurere ndichidova ndocheka na system yote ngatowangaredza cause namusi uchitwa budget speech namini national like straight up dzisoona namini asi kanji uchibvo chiyambwanga svizvo ati rune iva chitonga ndina zvine zvo rejectwa rune namwana haya neamba chithu chine chi-aligned na-art na-media ndi zvimwe zvithu.
Yes, ngantani uri ati ubva nakare ijiwa sahobby. And that's why in the office, find something to fall back on. Because for some women, it's a hobby. It's not viewed as a serious thing. It's not viewed as a career. Like nduri uvanakale ni kwamba career dzabadzishibadwa and bodokotela boloyara. Una dzinto zvinji sangamanda. If you check the engineers dziko tode yangamanda. Ngauri mini dziko short. But vanji zviambori ariyo kapetune rikubudzwa enough ngazvithu zvorarawo uri you can do this. Sometimes muthu vakononzori netoita electrical light toishima zvamutangasi because they don't know it's more than just uyofara group ona replace a group muthu ndovakojori zvamutangasi nezvemuri kochimari chochincha dzigroup within haya we don't know a lot so we need vathu vane vadova vachikochimira vachikuri karifunziwe. We also need resources already the research rine vanhu ngosvesa mara as long as zvithu out there then you can research on certain things.
Yeah, la change. But now, I'll give you sort of like a statement. Maybe udo comes story. Una story chine no vechete basically just admit. If then you will have to have words.
That's a bit scary. It's like Ella gave me a truth or dare. Like you don't know what to expect. You don't know.
Yeah, meaning that. Because the fund unzuri kumbre kwawe.
Okay.
Now rini araso kubvela chikhala zvino ari muthu koyu una maipana kwato dachikobva kaeni angadilani nenyime. Statement at all. Your mental health is worth more than any job, relationship, friendship or situation. Be your own advocate.
Okay. I think I mentioned Neparishkadiam. Uri it's important uri udive une ukunyago yaone and ube muthu ane wakono di ambera because ndishikosedza ka radio ti dzila community radio stations and ndikodziamba what happens is nipetsa nishiko oppress ya mentally niko vaisiwa ti so if you resign and you get yourself out of that situation, you are valuing yourself, you are valuing your mental health and also na talent yanu because the more nichikotendo tsikeledzwa thoni tiri mumbroni shambara na talent yanu nishikapano nini yenyanza na usukufunga ati nayo ati good enough I'm not good enough for ndibe ndi hapa noni maybe there's somebody na wori good upira nyinyi so yes as I think zite ka mumwe na mumwe so what people need to do is just to value themselves more align yourself with yourself. You need to know who you are, learn your weak points, learn your strong points, your strong points, and also need the weak points or to your advantage. Because off camera I was in Cape Town for 2 years doing an internship as an IT like I called my mom. I was like, but why? That as clicky as you can, and she was like, "Hey, running IT was not Lisa," but I was like, "No, as click now." The chief was a muarni. Next one is a work on I'm all for it. Not better.
It's like we're living in two different worlds. About the one. And what about money driven? Mar anyone go this sacrifice anyone. So I love the fact that Oamba and Ronomezas. And since you are an interpreter, the knowledge is the meant. I actually vend out from your mental health is worth more than any job, relationship, friendship, or situation. Be your own advocate.
Okay, iri mutakalo wanu ndi wa vhuleme nga maanḓa u fhira kana mushumo kana dzikhonani kana mashaka nga u ralo ḓifuneni ḓiḓivheni ni ḓi range phanḓa ini muno.
Yes. Okay, second statement. The cave you fear to enter.
The what?
The cave.
Okay.
Back.
Okay.
I should interpret at least number back. The cave you fear to enter holds the treasure you want.
Okay. Let me think on that one. No, that has never happened to me. I have never had a fear of entering anything because zwoṱhe zwine ndavha ndi khou dzhena khazwo ndi zwine ndavha ndi tshi funa ende ndi tshi zwiḓa zwo ri ndi a swikona. Basically nṋe ndi ya uḽa muthu ane I believe I can do anything.
Sure.
Like I can do anything that I set my mind to. So ahuna bako line nda pfha uri ḽi a nkhofhisa lini as long as ḽi sina maḓi.
Zombari ane na maḓi una uthada. Akunobhembela.
Ri hava la vhathu vho no tshimbila na dzimbono mabambelo. And funny enough, and funny enough, the Buddhists were bambela. But maybe that's where I'm going to contradict myself there.
Sure.
But what happened is, I used to go to Pretoria a lot because my grandmother, so I used to go to Pretoria a lot about the Christmas. So ndikoya umwe ndina miyanga ningeli dzi Christmas uko bambeliwa. Zvibanana zvamashaka ngana sikhona nepala zvikwamba rini. Iwe ungasi jene washikangi you are lying. Akhona uswima wena. Ndari vathu ndiyakona ndakojena ngai mopani abe yisho bakhombe khombe ubambeliwe nasashika na class ni ubambela ndatshininela. So ndari no ndiyakona mara ndi mtuku ngosipesa ngesho chipinga be ndikwamba swimming pool yayo na enwali ufi 1.5 meters deep nendiya ndikoshima apa right ndikoshima right zvinotiva kondera bachindera ndiya wasindedzera mini ndiya blind again ende ngondi kokona mara ndichimosvika nge une ndikotoya awela one ndikotoya kanda pasi ndigai asi ndikulaisa ndivosoko ndikotoona miyanga vakopusha mane vanga vamwenga jena ubvise mwana vambvisa. So ever since then atikoni uri ndisvime like
and actually ndiko gender statement ya the chamber already it's like I'm going to contradict myself. Atikoni ungari ndi contradict ene wambori ndivona samuthu ane ndivona uri andingasibhalelwa nga chithu zviambori ndiutenda uri atina dobhaleliwa ndichiita chaita chakona ubala ndiyapona ngakona wambori kandi pasi bambele zvambori utodzula nepapa.
And I think uri kamsi ndatowana vo therapy yana ndikotowana therapist ya mabambelo ngori ndikwambori skill ndinacho ndokudisika mara ndatotoma ndatori atikoni yapanda tidivuri why I think it's because of that experience
so
ichino chipinga riteo amba na vathu hence also going back on the mental health issue vathu vanji ribindi vakauri uchiamba na vamwe vathu udodinyadzisisa udoambiwa na mini but it's good uri niambe na vamwe vathu if you know your friends vadonisora vadochimbacha gondi because vathu vayamba you know muthu namsina rinisongovudza muthu moti ndi muthu it's human nature kuamba ningozvipfesesa find a counselor vaone vamahala vochiridzi na mini find a counselor aranikofori nendikotangana na vuleme like I can't take it anymore find a counselor niyoamba naye nikosvesa vanitesherese. You know, but they need to maybe find a hobby as well, you know, for your mental health.
Okay, cool. So statement. Teach yourself to look at the bright side of any situation.
Okay. I think that's what we do on a day-to-day basis. That's what I do every day. Because I love what I do when I do it. Even when I'm not doing it, I love it. So even now, I haven't been on radio since 2019. But I always look forward to a call. Yeah, Mukondi, come through. You know, on TV, when they come here, even just another job opportunity or communications, because I believe in terms of communications.
As long as I have communication.
She does communication them, yeah. So so I keep hoping, you know, I keep seeing this light at the end of a tunnel, you know. Hey, so I always see the bright side of, you know, life.
So character interpretation, teach yourself to look at the bright side of any situation.
The good discerning or I better say can you marry when I'm
okay? Okay, cool. The personal growth is not a matter of learning new information, but of unlearning old limits.
Okay. I've never been a person on a delimiter. No, I've never limited myself. Except for the videos of TikTok, the live with the Facebook. Yeah, those are the only limits that I can say on Dinazo. Because I don't go live with people's. You know,
I know you're a share resist.
they're blind.
I'm blind.
And they're blind, you know, because what he's going to say, and what Rama say, or but I cannot go live unless owner people are serious. TikTok, I find it interesting. Like, and I think maybe I should do it. So there's a lot of admin. TikTok that's where I am. It's a lot of admin.
Too much.
But I'm sure maybe the don't master comes and so I've never limited myself because for instance if I can say already the modeler forced to the plus size asi kama ndio unabatu wazi plus size yes so ara ndali the limiter hii that the one songori nedinga zviita izvo shinda ndi busy kusenza ish na mayanga ngapa nganga kadzi ngapa you know ndozviitisa hani izvo you know so mutu asango the limiter na mutu asango the limiter especially if you know what you want ni songo the limiter
never
you know never.
Okay, cool. Interpretation. Personal growth is not a matter of learning new information, but of unlearning old limits.
Okay. Nyaruo. Asi mapungo. Yauri ugude zvithu zvisva. Pedzi ni mapungo auri udigudise utochera zvithu zvezvava zvichi uima panda murauni.
Okay, cool.
This one. And then you can interpret because I'm a statement showing me, you know. Yeah.
Okay, cool. And you got the number and okay. When we tune out the obligations.
We what?
When we tune out the obligations, opinions, and the expectations of the world around us, we begin to hear ourselves.
Okay.
Yeah, before achamba there is no way to come so ndokocheka nezila zinedziva dzichikonga dziko pusha ngamanda vatu vane vavori they are very passionate nga issue ya art richikocheka nawo rini external environment na izvibonisa hani zva art that's why ndichitoda naits and the interviews zote dzinondonzivona vonje vatu vane they are already up there. Listen to your inner person. Listen to your inner person. That's why I'm
to the right place.
Hey.
Yeah.
So
it's true.
Statement cage. When you tune out the obligations, opinions, and the opinions and the expectations of the world around us, we begin to hear ourselves.
Yeah. And that simply means, you know what? Don't listen because there's a lot of negativity around us, ne? A lot of people do not understand where we want to be. They don't understand our dreams, our ambitions. And if you keep listening to the advices of Batwane, they don't understand you. Badoni derail and the Badoni rengisa ushika unena kwenye go yaone. Okay, Nendiso, I was told to go and study a diploma in office management to find something to fall back on. I didn't have the power to say Atinga 8 years. But I'm telling you, if you were to tell me now, no, that's not what I'm doing. Because this is what I want. Do you understand? So ndoringi siwa ushika henda vanishikwenye wewe. I mean, ngabatu wani wabakuripa the opinions of ori itani
vamwe chimwe chimwe vakudorini risvikele zvavakudzosvikela mari vobaleriwa
yes
because lichikovekelela aitilana chikwambalo mukekuri kuita zvanesinyana tonga level yatoma ndidzi auxiliaries ndari ndikoricha vari andirichi ndaribona avangweta nesinyina varichani vari ndoricha ndari mulandu vandasaifuta ndariwo zvinaka uchiticha vamwe nendichiticha huva kutani ndiyakwanira konozvibona rini ndirini already vathu vavono vana namindset weimongororo mwanangai
yes direction yauri imi niite zvipiyo zvino nichikwamba I you know my mom she was the best I'm telling you my mom maybe because family yabo baba artistic
sure.
And then she was also into arts yes. Maybe that's why Mara my mom was very open and she was very encouraging because ndari ndikuimba miyanga vadha vachikunibudzana zvori vakunikuchori ibviseni from the stomach you know and then when you dance vadonikudzedzera vachichimira vachibudza vatu ani mwananga oita
that
yes nyanga baba chiditongisa vari mwananga ndori waita mini hai asiite zvigende ngozvipesa so like I never had muntu ane okay except for vene vala vadzi opinions dzine vadzimpoza kamiyanga mara my mom was always like you know push ahead itani zvinoena kudoita zvone ngozvipesesa.
Then let's go to interpretation. When we tune out the obligations, opinions and the expectations of the world around us, we begin to hear ourselves.
Ndori ndizvandeme uri muntu asvike hune aditarukanye nemune adiguda nituchere utecheresa mambiwa avathu vane avadivi chitu ngaini munhu ngauri vadonibudza zvinini navazvone zvine asi zvinini navazvone ende uri nididive ndimusi ini mune nichikotodzitecheresa nadihumbulo ri nne ndikotoda zvipiyo
chinhu chirafane
ngamanda. But it also depends what angle you take in terms of interpretation. Because una zvineni ngasi zvirenga direct interpretation.
Sure.
This statement is very short. Most person, it doesn't make sense. Ndori chipinga chinena dotochera utecheresa mambiwa avatu zvine vanikombezita zvone ndiyo neunena dokono ditecheresa
zvambore aukushimisire kwado kushimisire kwamuzera rokufinira komwana manero kotiyosokisa maifimanga wala man
ani ala
manje
manjuri dare page
chopeza statement it is what you do with what you have that counts the most.
That is true. It's true. Hey, I don't know if it needs an explanation. It's short, straight to the point. Yes,
yes.
Go.
Keep it short.
You know, the empower, the arusa. You get what I'm saying? Yes. Zviani torina ini you know nishikero nina kwengo uyahone
kumra chisuka pano off camera chidorini nitoze camera kurwa
actually no gadza camera so you need a bigger camera for big people.
Okay cool kawa awo rogo de mini rono wana bana ngori kisna camera de to me mrao cause awo dzuraye tika screen so
that screen you know so they must get a bigger camera. I don't have to be smaller. Yeah.
Then from there, also want to post up like Facebook. Yeah, that at least come to want to but this was then from there, I do a lot of reactions. When I want to interpreter, not interpreter, man. When I want to analyze, also kanya muzika wa bene wa muzika batoko. Mbuso ya daoi, uzwa kubudi. Ningaro morni. Yobanti avana dziquiz avana imwe ine yobudziswa nne ndapindura mubudzisi ndari mara naye ndotodwa namubudzisi so mbuso yero thoma actually mbuso yero vaine yori is she married, does she need Benton because I'm available mbuso kubaka obligation.
What's a Benton? Because if you ask if I need a Benton that means you know my age. What's a Benton? Oh, you're Benton, Mungavani?
194, 95.
And Benton.
And 95.
I think Nanaka grade 5. But I don't need a Benton. No, I don't need a Benton. Married. Okay, my nails are already the Zumba, but there's nothing here. But all the watu wadavarosha all the watu wadavarosha. So normally wanga chidzimba.
Okay, cool. So now omariwa. Zambari ene omarwa ukadzizura hawe. Kana ene achimariwa ti. Oda aroshiwaga ayani. Mutono ugazi.
Mara haira dzira nezvino ndidzira naye. Apa unerava nezvo ndidzira naye navana vasho.
Navana vasho.
Not vana vawe ene vasho vangana mtu wanga. Vana vasho.
Vana vawe na hoyo anodaro.
Na uyu muloshi.
Omaro hoyo umaro ngachidzimba. Because chidzimba uri ngasichimbire oro.
Achambarei. Was one.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So Udranai.
Okay, cool. Avana ngombuso yorini. Abo Faith Mutambi ndi mashaka awe.
Abo Faith Mutambi ndi mane wanga. Ndi mratu wa miyanga.
No, wait.
Serious. Ndi mane wa miyanga. Ndi mratu wa miyanga, ndi mane wanga, yes, not mane wa miyanga. Tui. We stayed together briefly. Okay, angi amucha. Bo Faith bachikojana Univen. Yes.
From 93 to 96.
Yeah, bachidzana. So tell me, I'm going to rush the and then when she came, Razari 4. So yeah, the Mashaka Ash.
Oh, what was the ambassador proud?
Yeah, I am.
I'm proud. Deep your position in ever Faith Mutambi where you older you on South Africa. Deep your position, do you win when you old?
Minister of Communications. Zvino eshape zvino busy na mimi valamucho mara zvostwi zviyelana na the land like zvina the land ngangomu na the community ngangomu you know tobondotwamwa that specific
chairperson of portfolio committee on environmental
yes ngozibala zvina
forestry
you see
and fisheries
yes mara ndizokudibona mana zvina land ngangomu namsi nacheka bayamba badinga zvithu zva the land rokwadresa mini kana gai yeah.
Okay, cool. So mbuso yendenda buso yone yoba yino ine mtu wale nomfa pindulo ine ndo munewe yanga kupyasara kwanga banda na ndoro na nguzisa zvifani zvinji azvina zimini nandora ndinge dzungani mundau wako notoipa where is driven from ndau ndo at least cheese trade mara varau dzina mini zviyakonda ngamaka mara chifani cha Mutambi Mutambi at least china mini upi Mutambi ndi mini one lalo bagaye not or any achifani chawe zobagaye chifani Mutambi ndi mini one zobagaye
okay Mutambi ndo ro ndisati zvori ndi mini ne ndo pfanga vhathu vachiposa kuri ndikho isa chithu Mutambini enda panisa pfesuri kwa mama mina chi Mutambi amba dipi Mutambi ndi line ndi draka kana eyo aneya so rine kharine Mutambi ukobva kha uri makhulu we vapiwa elo dzina la Mutambi bo ofi vavo lapha ngamanda so vachimbo dichingola vatu va Mutambi so that's where it came from. And the thing is, back then, you would adopt a name, Yabachfani. So that's what happened. Yes, that's what happened. That's why Richifi Mutambi, the nickname.
Okay.
Yeah, Yamakuru.
Okay, cool. The nickname Yamakuru. Maradona ne Ifi Mutambi, no Bagai. No, not apart from your family, na history. Mara the word Mutambi ndi mini.
Ofindi draka. Yes, nenda divazo.
Zvinorisa kujena ka family yao richiko sendera ainge Mutambi lo Bagai. The word Mutambi.
The word Mutambi. I don't know.
Okay.
Ambuza.
Zwo yo mtu ambusa zvone. Ndombuza uri nini? Mutambi for real ndi ane bro. The line. Mara Tambi to me it sounded like it's coming from Tambo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because Mutambi kanjisa
Mutambo, ane.
Aye man.
Ni Mutambo, ane, yabona. Okay.
Mutambi wachitwa nga Tambo.
Yes.
Ndiye zokomeza ufi Mutambi. So
okay.
Tambi lani yako baka Tambo. Ndiye kuzneya
Okay. I've never thought of it. Never.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So we're about to finish. So no, the game it's a wrap up.
Okay.
One must go. Come there. Mazina watu babiri. Amborni. Uyu arara akaradio. Unganambalisha uyu.
Ajena ne.
Nandasa.
Okay.
Roof na radio ne. Umwa rashikara utotopanyi. Okay, cool. The radio kids are zilwa mbeza ne. Una presenter ngede na ngede. Ina nazuna arara luchi kufini ndi ene ane offera authority. Yore kote sacrifice mtumti abaka lipatsi la radio. Rungana rasa na mgede rudo sa resorted. Hey. Ndumde mazina wana. One must go.
Very tricky.
Yeah. We should stay, we must go. Salim SGO. Is this Salim's go? Like Clifford Mangai.
No, you can't do that to me. You can't.
I can do that.
No, you can't.
I'm doing it now.
No. Those two are like fole bra, so I can't. I cannot.
Between Salim and Clifford Mangai.
They do different things. They've got.
Was justifier. Okay, cool. After me.
Okay.
Between Salim
Okay.
and Clifford Mangai, who must stay, who must go. As we're new timing. Salim and Clifford Mangai, who must stay, who must.
One is gonna hate me. One is gonna hate me when I say this. Okay, where are they going though?
My apologies. She dragged this game. Obviously, was not she picked up. So I was like, hi, now you're up there and the men is to pay. So yeah, peace out. We out here. Opeza muchuza mutu.